M60. M60.
Hello there YouTube. Today we're going to unbox this Canon EOS M50 Mark II, which comes with an extra lens, a 16GB of SD card and a bag. So let's get to it. It's a big bag and strangely enough it fits in here. So let's start with this. That is the carrying bag that comes with it. So this is it. It has a Canon label, well, an engraving kind of thing here. So we open it up. You have sections here, some battery bags, carrying stuff there, and you have a strap here, and you have two sections. So I'm guessing your camera will go in one and your lens will go in the other one. So not much else to say about this. It's pretty rigid and the quality inside of it is acceptable. Go looking further in, not much there. And it has this, this system like a bag, yeah, clicks. So that's one thing. So let's open the bag again, and here comes the king of the package. Let's go in here. So as you can see, EOS M50 Mark II, and here they also say it's a kit with all these two lenses, Canon. Let me check which ones these are. So this one is a EF M1545 ES STM lens, and this one is a EF M55 to 200 ES STM lens. So this camera is 24.1 megapixel, is a CMOS chip, is 4K, it shoots in 4K, 30 frames per second. Not really something that you want to use for 4K as far as I've seen on other YouTube reviews, but for full HD it's perfect. So if you are wanting to have a 4K machine, I guess you should look for something else, and not for a Sony ZV-E10, because that has not great quality for 4K neither, so in my opinion. So let's take all the paperwork out, and you have AC cable, and inside of it some strap, Canon strap, a battery charger, an empty bag, that's strange, and the 16GB SD HC U1, 80 megabits per second, Ultima Pro. I don't know which brand that is, never seen it before. Let me just check here. Here is the battery, and you have your lens, which is the, let me check again, the 1545 ES lens that is in here. So let's see. As you can see, it's pretty neat. It doesn't weigh much. Kind of is good weight. And now well, I have two things left. I'll keep this for the last bit. And then here is the other lens, which is the let me peek, 55 to 200. So this will be a larger lens, just as seen here. Same, well, quality as this one, kind of just exactly the same. This weighs, well, more, and here we can see 55, 70, 100, 135 and 200. The lens goes on here, and now let's get to the body of the kit. So this is the camera. It does feel better, in my opinion, than a Sony ZV-1, for example. Why do I say that? Because this feels kind of rigid. It's not... I'm not saying that the Sony is not rigid. This feels more rigid. It's like, you know, a little bit, I think, a little bit more heavier. So just let's open it and put the lens on. I'll start with this one. No, I'll open this. There we go. And turn this one off. Okay. And let's turn it on. Push direction to rotate the lens to enable shooting. Let's take this off. So let me just turn this. Yeah. So now I have a good image. There is no SD card. We didn't pack it up. I mean, open it up. But yeah, I kind of like it. It's just something that I really not have been using lots. This kind of lenses. It's a manual, but it is pretty smooth if you're moving it. So this is not in-depth review, it's just an unboxing. So I'll turn it back off. All right, and then just, there we go, and put this back on here. So that's what it looks like, and this is the second lens, as you can see. So anyways guys, I hope you like this unboxing of this Canon EOS M50 Mark II, and I will review, most likely review the Sony ZV-1 as well, which is an older camera than this one. Shoots less, well, it has a 20.1 megapixel CMOS on it, but this one is a greater one. Awesome machine. Oh yeah, without forgetting, I also got this, which is a let me just open it real quickly. There we go. This is for continuous battery. So if you're like, if you want to use it as a webcam for streaming or something, you do need this, because this battery goes in here and this one connects onto the battery, and the other side connects to this AC adapter, and then what happens is you will never lose juice to do the streaming or whatever. Something really nice. you should consider getting one of these if you have a Mark II or Mark 1. It doesn't matter, but this works for both of them as far as I know. I haven't tested, but I'm guessing it's gonna work. I'll let you guys know anyhow. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs up anyways. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more unboxing videos like this in the future. Bye!